Today we are at an Amish organic dairy farm in Lancaster County. We have been working with this farm for the last 5 years. As a year ago, this project was completed. We partnered with Organic Valley, with the National Fish Wildlife Foundation and NRCS to implement a project that can address all the nutrient resource concerns of this farm.
I started farming back in 2015. I'm very familiar with dairy farming. I grew up on a dairy farm and I helped milk cows since 10 years old. Being that my farm is 100 yards off the stream, I see a lot of trash coming down the stream when we get a lot of rain, so it just makes me want to do a better job in trying to eliminate that. Over the years, the stream bank kept eroding. The creek was changing its route and I was losing acreage to the neighbor across the stream. So I'm thinking to myself, what is it going to look like in another 10 or 20 years?
This farm is located right off the Pequea Creek, which is a very important waterway for Lancaster and for the Chesapeake Bay. And due to that proximity, the risk of getting nutrients runoff is very high. The Alliance was able to support that by implementing riparian forest buffer. And we have implemented manure storage that would give the farmer 6 months or more of manure storage. We stabilized the barnyard that now is preventing erosion. We have also helped building cattle walkway that is avoiding erosion. And thankfully now we're preventing tons and tons of nitrogen, tons and tons of phosphorus and sediment runoff.
So in the past, and when cows came out, it was just a dirt hill. That hill was eroding because of the cattle traction and just animals walking on it all the time. So they put in a concrete barnyard and they put in practices to divert water and reduce that overland flow of water and help save that hillside and help make it better for the environment, but also a much more comfortable environment for the cows.
I've been seeing a lot more wildlife habitat, more birds, bluebirds, and it's just amazing the native wildflowers you can see down there.
Abner is a very progressive, good steward that really is interested in doing the right thing. He has trusted the Alliance to help him to accomplish his goals and to ensure that this farm is set for success. And that is very important because this is his legacy. This farm is what he's going to leave to his children and the future generations.
We like to go down on the creek as a family in the evening after cows out in pasture. And it's just, it's a moment everybody looks forward to. And we have made a lot of special memories down there along the creek already as a family. I feel like if everybody along the Pequea Creek would have the same goal or vision, I think it would take away a lot of our challenges that we face